What's up, guys? Welcome back to MacMerlin, the show all about mechanical keyboards. Summer is the time for gatherings, meetups, and barbecue. And in fact, last weekend I was down in Portland, Oregon for the Reddit Global Meetup Day. Today, I'm going to a build party in downtown Seattle. A member of the community opened up his rooftop for a barbecue, and we're all going to go there. The interesting thing, though, is that there's no shade, so it's going to be really hard to solder things, and we'll see how it goes. Anyway, I don't really have anything to solder, but I will be helping people solder. I still have to go get burger patties and pick someone else up, so I'll see you all later.
A sunburn show?
No, like
that.
The little strip tease.
Little strip tease.
Yeah. You gotta pull up.
Oh yeah?
Oh.
That was an awesome build party. We were pretty much soldering from when we got there all the way till sunset. Got to meet lots of cool people and finally matched screen names to faces. So even though it was a build party, people brought completed boards. I was able to play with 3 different Fjells, a BKE Domed FC660c, a Weaven, and quite a few others. And it kind of turned out to be a pre-meetup to the Seattle meetup. If you guys don't know what that is, the Living Computer Museum is once again hosting the Seattle Summer Meetup, and it'll be on July 22nd. If you want more details, check it down below. and you might see some, if not most, of these boards. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. I'll see you next time. Whether you're looking for your first mechanical keyboard or a collector of Korean customs, you're at the right place. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video.